Thanks for the nice comprehensive course. Actually, it was a privilege for me to know you all and to listen to these nice lectures. Actually, my point of view about the course is very good theoretical course. My suggestion is that for the next times or any time, we need more clinical cases, clinical treatments, especially in the hormonal therapies. I mean, to be practical and clinical rather than be theoretical. And also to add some short videos of the most important practical surgeries like micro-TZ, TZ, TISA, PISA, or microscopic varicocele, or any of the even minor. You know, for us urologists, it would be very easy to learn even from a small video because it's our job at the last. But I think to add these short videos and also be more clinical and practical in the hormonal therapy in the cases would be better. Generally, the course was very good, and it was a privilege for me to know these seniors all from abroad. Thank you.